This is a video to show you how to create a charcoal study of a landscape produced in quite a loose Impressionist style. And in this case I'll be working from a painting by Claude Monet and showing you how to just build up a copy of that painting loosely in charcoal. I start by drawing out very loosely and lightly with the side of the charcoal, just mapping out the basic shapes of the image, looking at the shapes of the background, the shapes of the bushes and trees, and getting those mapped out quite lightly and loosely with the side of the charcoal. After that, I can start just building up layers of slightly darker charcoal, sometimes using the point of the charcoal, sometimes still using the side, but just building up those tones a bit more strongly to get a sense of depth beginning to be created within the work. In this case I'm working on a piece of A5 sugar paper, so working on quite a small scale for charcoal and just using willow charcoal to produce that. When I work on the sky, I use the side of the charcoal and just work around the clouds to create some darkness in the blue of the sky. And then I can go on and again, using the point of the charcoal, build up some stronger tones to get a sense of depth really beginning to develop within the work. I'm trying to use a variety of mark-making techniques to bring a little bit of life to the bushes and a little bit of a sense of movement within the work. As the layers build up within the work, it becomes darker overall, and I can add stronger markings and overall darker tones to make it begin to look more finished. In some cases I've used a little bit of smudging to lighten tones and to make the areas a little bit smoother, but in most cases I'm looking to leave the texture of the charcoal showing and trying to really build up that sense of texture and depth within the work. So try to avoid smudging your work as you produce it, unless you're trying to deliberately just smooth down an area of charcoal. Use a rubber to lighten up any areas of work that you feel are a bit too dark and to clean up any patches that have gone wrong. But make sure that you leave a full range of tones on the paper from light all the way through to dark. Right, thanks for listening and good luck with your piece of work.